This is Chance from Air Current Heating and Air Conditioning here at Van Park in Deltona, Florida. We're here putting a 4-ton barb unit in for the city of Deltona. Yup. W. Nice. Alright, we just finished installing this 4-ton barb unit. We really enjoy putting these barb units in. Typically the hole patterns line back up. Whenever we're servicing or maintaining these units, they're very easily accessible to all the units, very easy to change the filters in the front. Since we're here at the ball fields, we got this protective cage we put on to protect it from foul balls or kids throwing balls around here in the warm-up areas, to protect it from anything that might fly and hit it. Also, Tropic was kind enough to drop it off here at the job site, which made it very easy for us to install. Tropic Supply is one of the better supply houses we use in the area. We really enjoy using them. They have a very family-friendly environment. Todd, Jeff, Eric, Debbie over there really make us feel like family, and anytime we stop by to pick up parts or anything, they're very kind to us. And go over to Tropic Supply, folks, and get yourself a free shirt.